don't be casual in life. We should never take the things for granted, because many a times at the end we are paying a huge price for that. If we would have taken those things on serious note, and this is very painful, friends. You might be knowing the case of Titanic. Titanic was said that it's a unsinkable ship. The way it was made, it was told that it's unsinkable ship. But when they were going, I think Titanic Kabhi Dubar 1912, I think, yeah. So when Titanic was moving, the captain already informed them that the direction towards which we are moving, there are chances that we can hit that iceberg. But people ignored that. The person who was driving, he ignored. They had more confidence that nothing will happen. Even that life-saving jackets also kept less in that, because of overconfidence that nothing will happen to Titanic. But at the end, what was the result? Everyone knows that. So when seriousness required, we have to be serious. We have to pay attention and listen others also. Many times we are just ignoring the things. But what impact it will happen, we are realizing very late. And by the time damage has already been done, there is nothing to rectify those mistakes. So, you are wise enough, you should think and take decision accordingly. Never underestimate anything. Never ever be too proud, or you should not have that kind of thought process that only you know everything. No. We can listen others also. Whether we are going to follow that things or not, that is secondary. But at least listen others. Take others' opinion also. Definitely, some or the other way you will get some ideas to move ahead in your life. Others' experience also sometimes help. Correct? Others' feedbacks also helps. So, the only point is, in life, don't take things for granted. Don't take it in casual way. When seriousness required, we have to be serious. So this is what my thought on this topic, friends. Thank you so much for watching.